What's up, guys? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com, and we have a question in from Larry. He says, I'd like to know the best way to get a dent out of a pickup box. High side close to the taillight, dent into the top crease of the bed, probably 1 3/4 caved in, 8x12 area that's damaged. So I see it right over here. Thanks for the images. There's a couple of ways you can do this. Number one, I would take the tail light out, okay, because by taking the tail light out, it will give you, okay, access to the inner panel here, where you can fit a pry bar with a piece of wood, okay. You can get in here and you can start pushing this out, okay. Depending on how bad it is, you might need to shrink the metal with a shrinking hammer by also putting a metal dolly back here after you get the dent out, and then tapping the front with your, see, this is a hammer here, okay, pardon my drawing, it may look like something else, but you want to tap it and then it'll shrink the metal here, okay. Another way to shrink it is to basically, you heat it with a torch first and then you tap it, shrink it, and then you put cold water on it, or just, it doesn't have to be cold water, just water on it to shrink it down, okay. And as you're pulling, okay, well, the other way to do it is to basically weld some pins here, okay, kind of along the seam here and then in here, okay, weld some pins in there and basically pull it out. And while you're pulling it out, okay, with your, once you get the hammer in there and you're jacking it out and you're pulling it out with the pins, you basically want to get your hammer and start hitting the high edge down over here as you're pulling. So after you weld your pins in here with the stud welder, okay, you got your tool on here, your hammer, your slide hammer, and you're pulling out, okay, then as you're pulling, you're going to want to tap this down with the hammer, okay, which is going to help you push this top down. Okay, and after you get that out, then you would kind of work on this crease here, pull that out, pull this out, and just pull out. You just want to pull it out, and if it seems high or the metal shrank or the metal stretched, then you would basically get a shrinking hammer, which looks like a meat hammer. It kind of looks like if this was the hammer head, if you were looking at it, circle hammer head. They actually come in square or circle. So say this is a square. Well, we want a circle. We want a circle hammer head, okay? And it basically looks like this, okay, with points on it to shrink the metal, okay? And you just basically tap it. Make sure you have a metal dolly in the back of it here, okay? Like a piece of metal, like this hard drive that I have here, okay? Metal block, put in the back, and then you tap it with a hammer, okay, to shrink. And that's pretty much it. Then you would grind the whole area down. Okay, you would grind all that down. And then, DA maybe up to here with 80 grit, go around 80 grit, and then start applying your body filler and then start blocking it out. That's pretty much the way to do it. And again, we have step-by-step videos of how to do exactly this types of repair and more in Learn Auto Body and Paint VIP. So don't forget to check out Learn Auto Body and Paint and the VIP section. We have videos on this specific stuff right here. All right, so comment down below, let me know what you think. Hopefully you enjoyed the little tip here, and that's pretty much it. All right, so I'm gonna say right now, if you're brand new to the channel, click this video. You're gonna be able to download a free 85-page auto body guide. If you're on a desktop, click down below in the description for more links and resources on auto body repair. And that's pretty much it. You're going to head down to a page that looks like this or like this. It's a brand new revised 85-page auto body manual that we redid, and it's interactive. You'll be able to have links that go to other videos and so much more. It's really, really cool now. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Hope you like it. Bye.